so tired, coffee. Well, that didn't work. I'm still tired. You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. Now I'm coming at you with 3 tips to get more energy without caffeinated beverages or drugs or anything like that. All natural. Just wait. In today's fast-paced society, it's extremely difficult to make time for sleep, but you need to get enough sleep. And people say 8 hours, but that's debatable. It's highly individual. If you wake up feeling rested, you probably got enough, but most people don't, I know. So just find what works for you. The second piece is to eat. Yeah, your body needs energy to live, not just exercise or work, but to live. You burn calories when you breathe in and out, even when you're sitting and talking. The third one is something I'm super passionate about: exercise. Countless studies have shown that even if you feel like it's just too much, regular physical activity wakes you up and you have more energy. I know it can feel like the last thing you want to do, but get in a sweat session, even if it's just cleaning the house, and live longer, feel better, and alive to your